Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to read a book called Animals, Animals. And as you can see right away, these are not the kind of animals that you see in your backyard. These are animals that live in Africa and places like Canada. And we can go see them if we don't travel to those places in the zoo. So let's get started. Animals, Animals, written by Cheryl Ryan, and this is a reading Raz Kids book. So after we read this, I'm going to push it out to your assignments in Raz Kids, and you can go read the book, and also I want you to take the comprehension test on it as well. And then we have a writing assignment down below that you're going to compare to animals. There are many kinds of animals. Elk run fast. Elk live in the woods. And as you can see, they kind of look like our deer around here, but these elk are much bigger. Giraffes are tall. Giraffes have spots. Elephants are strong. Elephants have long trunks. Camels live in deserts. Camels can go a long time without water. Foxes have bushy tails. Foxes live in holes in the ground. Zebras have stripes. Zebras live in grassy places. Hippos live near water. Hippos have almost no hair. Polar bears live in cold places. Polar bears eat seals. There are many kinds of animals. Okay, boys and girls, so that's our book today. As you can tell, those are animals that we can go look in the zoo, and we just usually don't find those animals around here. But today we're going to compare and contrast, and I'm going to bring up this slide for you. We've used this before. This is called a Venn diagram, and here you have the giraffe circle, and here you have the zebra circle. And here in the middle, when they overlap, that's what they have in common. So here, the zebra and the giraffe, they have some things in common. Let's read about them. They're both animals. They both have fur. They both have 4 legs. They both have 2 eyes and a tail. They graze on grass. They both eat animals. We can find them in the zoo, and they live in exotic places. And the giraffe has a long neck, where the zebra has a short neck. The giraffe has spots, and the zebra has stripes. The giraffe is brown, and the zebra is black and white. So boys and girls, I want you to pick 2 animals, and I want you to compare them. Talk about how they're alike and how they are different. And also go down to the writing assignment and compare some 2 animals. I hope you share your writing with me, or you can video record it as well and have your parents send it to me. Miss you. Hope you have a great day.